Are you preparing for a property inspection and worried about the condition of your kitchen? A deep kitchen clean in Ealing, London, UK is essential in ensuring your space remains shining and free from inspection challenges like grease or limescale. Our residential home cleaning experts focus on crucial areas like dusty skirting boards and meticulously cleaned glass surfaces that can be key in any tenancy dispute. By employing a reliable house cleaning service that uses a thorough checklist tailored for Ealing homes, we guarantee attention to repeated issues that often determine the outcome of inventory reports. Remember, the difference between a surface tidy and a professionally finished clean comes from following a steady cleaning process, ensuring every nook and cranny is addressed. Don't wait for disputes to arise. Let our team of dedicated cleaning specialists safeguard your peace of mind. Contact us today to schedule your kitchen clean and prepare for that inspection.